Bloop Town friends! Today we're learning 10 amazing things together, all in a row. Let's start with learning colors.
Whoa! A rainbow!
Good morning, Splash. I'm Ruby the Rainbow. Want to go on a color hunt with me today?
Woo!
Let's find something red. Red, red, look all around. Red like an apple. Let's put it in our color basket and keep looking. Now let's find something orange.
Look, there's Freddy sitting by a big pumpkin.
Orange like a pumpkin. Thanks, Freddy. Now, where can we find something yellow? Yellow like the sun. It's so bright and warm today. Now let's find something green. Look, Sammy's hanging out on a big green leaf. Green like grass and leaves. Woohoo! Green is all around us in Bloop Town. Let's head to the river now. I bet we'll find something blue there. Blue like the water and blue like the sky above. Even Splash is a little bit blue. Splash! Look down at those flowers. I think we found our last color. Purple! Purple like these pretty flowers. Now our basket has every color of the rainbow! You found every color, Splash! That deserves a rainbow celebration! Let's do the rainbow dance! Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. All together now! What a colorful day! Thanks for hunting colors with me, Ruby, Freddy, and Sammy. I have to go now that the sky is clear, but I'll be back after the next rain.
Bye, friends!
Bye, friends! Let's remember all our colors one more time. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Colors are everywhere if you just look around. See how many you can find today.
Thanks for hunting colors with us today. What's your favorite color? Tell us in the comments.
Next up, learning shapes.
A necklace is missing. We've got a case.
Splash, I need your help. Coral's favorite star necklace is missing, and I think shapes are the key to finding it.
A mystery? I love mysteries. Let's go find some clues.
First clue. Coral said her necklace had a star shape. Let's practice finding stars, detectives. Found it! A star shape. Let's write that down in our detective notebook. Well, Oh, detectives, thank goodness you're here. I've looked everywhere, and I just can't find my necklace. Don't worry, Coral. We're going to look for every shape around here. The necklace has to be nearby. Look, a circle! Round like a beach ball, round like the sun. Circles have no corners at all.
No necklace in the circle, but we learned something. Let's keep looking. What about a square?
A square has 4 sides that are all the same length and 4 corners. No necklace here, but good detective work. There's a triangle. Look at that umbrella. 3 sides, 3 corners, pointing straight up. A rectangle. Longer than a square, with 4 sides too. Wait, what's that glinting?
It's the necklace! We found it! And it was hiding under a rectangle shape the whole time. My necklace! You found it! Thank you, shape detectives! Case closed. Let's review all the shapes we found today.
Circle, square,
Triangle, rectangle, and star.
another mystery solved. Being a shape detective sure is fun, isn't it, Splash?
Here, take these shells as a thank you gift. And see if you can spot what shape they are, too.
Thanks for everything, Coral! Remember, shapes are hiding everywhere if you just look closely.
Thanks for solving the mystery with us today. Can you find a circle, square, or triangle near you right now?
Next up, opposite day! Opposite day is my favorite! Wanna play?
Up and down!
Big and small.
Look at Clara compared to a tiny ladybug.
Fast and slow. Watch Splash zoom by, while Clara takes her time.
Happy? Nandad's Renadad! Cold! This sunny rock is warm, but this shady one is nice and cool. Speaking of opposites, look at the sky.
And day and night, bright and busy, then quiet and calm. It was your favorite. Let's remember them all. Up, down, big, small, fast, slow, happy, sad, hot, cold, day, night.
Learning opposites is so much fun when you get to act them all out.
Thanks for playing Opposite Day with us. Can you show a grown-up small right now? Next up, days of the week.
So many days! Where do I start?
Need some help, Splash? I know all about the days of the week. I've got a whole calendar right on my back.
The week always starts with Monday. On Monday, Splash likes to visit the library for story time.
After Monday comes Tuesday. On Tuesday, Splash loves painting pictures with his friend Freddie.
Then comes Wednesday, the middle of the week. On Wednesday, Splash exercises with Coach Coral. On Thursday, Splash helps Farmer Joe feed all the animals on the farm. Then it's Friday, the last day before the weekend. On Friday, Splash and Sammy go on a fun bug hunting adventure. First comes Saturday. On Saturday, Splash rows down the river with Freddie.
And finally, Sunday! On Sunday, Splash rests, relaxes, and spends quiet time with his family. And guess what happens after Sunday? The whole week starts all over again with Monday.
Monday.
Oh, I get it! The week keeps going round and round, just like a circle. Let's sing the days of the week. Let's sing it together now, all 7 days in order. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
All my friends from every day of the week are here to celebrate with us.
Let's do the days of the week dance, a new move for every single day.
Hey!
What a wonderful week it's been! 7 days, 7 adventures, 7 wonderful friends. Thank you, calendar! Now I know exactly what day it is, every single day. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Can you say them all with me?
Thanks for spending the whole week with us, friends. Thanks for learning the days of the week with us. What's your favorite day of the week?
Psst! Try singing the days of the week backwards, too. From Saturday all the way back to Sunday. It's a fun challenge.
Next up, weather, and seasons. Watch me change with every season.
Hi, Splash! Welcome to spring!
Welcome to spring. Everything is blooming and growing all around us. New baby animals, gentle rain showers, and flowers popping up everywhere. That's spring. Now it's my turn. Welcome to summer. Time for sunglasses and swimming. Splashing in the waves, eating cold treats, and playing outside all day long. That's summer. Whoosh! Now it's my season. Welcome to fall. Look at all these colorful leaves. Crunchy leaf piles, cozy sweaters, and pumpkins on every porch. That's fall.
Welcome to winter! Time to bundle up, it's snowing!
Building snowmen, sipping warm cocoa, and watching snowflakes fall. That's winter.
And then, spring comes right back around. The seasons repeat over and over every single year.
I love how each season brings something new to enjoy. And then we get to do it all again. Let's remember them in order. Spring, summer, fall, and winter!
Thanks for journeying through the seasons with us. Which season is your favorite?
Halfway there! Take a stretch break with us.
Next up, let's go! Transportation!
Hi, Bloop Town friends! Bloop Town friends! Ready, set, go!
Trixie speeds off on the land route.
Captain Puddle sails off on the water route.
And Whirly soars off on the air route.
Cars, ships, and airplanes all cheered them on from the sidelines. Everyone loves a good race.
They're neck and neck. Who's going to win?
They all cross the finish line at the exact same moment. It's a tie! A train, a boat, and a helicopter each travel in their own special way. They're all amazing.
Let's make all our vehicle sounds together. Choo-choo, splish, splash, and whirl, 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 whirl.
Let's remember, Trixie travels on land, Captain Puddle travels on water, and Whirly travels through the air. Thanks for racing with us today. Which vehicle would you want to ride in?
Next up, fruits and veggies. Hi, Bloop Town friends. Fruit or veggie? Which basket does this go in? That's easy. Apples are a fruit. Toss it in. Sammy brought over a carrot. Fruit or vegetable?
Carrot! That's a vegetable! It grows underground. Banana, fruit. Broccoli, vegetable. Strawberry, fruit. Corn, vegetable.
Now let's make a healthy rainbow snack with everything we sorted. Eating lots of different colors helps our bodies grow strong and have lots of energy. Look at our two bright fruits on one side, healthy veggies on the other.
Remember, fruits often have seeds and grow on trees or vines, while vegetables can grow underground or on stalks.
Thanks for sorting fruits and veggies with us today. What's your favorite healthy snack? Next up, my 5 senses.
Hi, Bloop Town friends!
Let's use all 5 senses today. Sight. I see colorful flowers blooming everywhere.
Hearing. I hear birds singing sweetly in the trees. Smell. I smell fresh bread. It smells so cozy and delicious.
Taste. Berry. Yummy!
And touch. I feel soft grass, a smooth pebble, and rough tree bark.
Let's play a game. I'll describe something, and you tell me which sense to use. A loud drum. Which sense is that?
Hearing. Hearing. I've got this. A sour lemon. That's taste. I'm getting really good at this.
5 senses, one amazing walk through the park.
Thanks for using your senses with us today. Which sense is your favorite to use? Next up, community helpers.
Hi, Bloop Town friends! Bloop Town is full of everyday heroes. Nurse Willow helps people feel better. Listen to that heartbeat.
Firefighter Blaze keeps everyone safe from fires. Whoosh, down the pole! Before every call, I check all my equipment to make sure everything is ready to help.
Officer Paws helps everyone cross the street safely. What do you love most about your job?
I love helping keep our whole neighborhood safe and getting to know everyone here.
Mail carrier Pip delivers letters and packages to everyone in town.
Every letter I deliver makes someone's day a little brighter. Wow! Yay!
All 4 helpers gathered together to celebrate a job well done. Every single one of you makes Bloop Town a safer, kinder place to live.
Say thank you to the helpers in your life. Follow Bloop Town for more.
Last lesson. The magic words.
Hi, friends! Let's learn good manners today. Kind words and actions brighten every day. When I want something, I say please. It's a kind little word that puts others at ease. When someone helps me, I say thank you too. A little bit of gratitude goes a long way, it's true. Sharing my toys makes playtime more fun. Taking turns together, everyone wins, everyone! If I make a mistake, I say I'm sorry with heart. A kind apology helps friendships restart. Waiting my turn shows patience and care. Taking turns fairly, that's how we share. Please and thank you, sharing and sorry too. Waiting our turn, good manners for me and you. Thanks for learning good manners with me today. Remember, kindness makes every day brighter. Bye-bye.
Thanks for learning with me today, friends. I hope you discovered something new. If you had fun, follow along for more writing adventures with me. See you next time. Blooptastic! That's all 10 lessons. Thanks so much for learning with me today. Subscribe to Bloop Town for a new adventure every single week.